Guys, we've been telling you all summer about the Copart Rebuild Challenge. If you haven't found a car yet, you haven't signed up, you still have some time because the contest doesn't end until September 1st. There's already 54 entries, so if you're gonna join, make sure you bring your A game. Maybe you wanna buy something like this Corvette that's absolutely destroyed to show off what you can do. Maybe you wanna buy something a little lighter hit like that R8. Maybe you wanna buy something that wasn't wrecked at all and just needs a new engine like this Porsche. Or maybe you want to get a little crazy and buy something you can put an absolutely wild motor in, like this 240SX with a 10-cylinder engine out of a Viper. Or maybe you don't want to build a sports car at all. You just want to upgrade the family SUV like this Macan GTS here. Either way, first place, $7,500 credit. Second place, $5 grand. Third place, $2,500. Regardless of what you're building, make sure you use our code SCRAPLIFE20 when you sign up on Copart. Save 20% off your membership, and be sure to tag us on what you're building and let us know how it's going.